That window is clean. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Maybe that's because I did it, but all right, we're here in Des Moines, Washington, doing some storm windows for a client that's been around for a couple of years with us. And so we're going to take apart all the storm windows today. All of them come apart from the inside, but they all need to be taken apart, and we'll wash every surface and then we'll put them back together, clean the screens as well. So it'll be a good day to wash windows. It's beautiful out here today. Lots of blue sky, and it's not too warm. And yeah, we'll be looking forward to get some clean windows. All right, I'm gonna clean the outside of this storm window here. These port storm windows clean up very nicely. That window is clean. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Maybe that's because I did it, but maybe not. All right, we're out here. We're getting the last couple of windows done. And Ben is gonna get this last window right here. I'm gonna get him, I'm gonna get some footage of him washing. So we've taken out the screen. What he did is he pushed the screen out from the inside. And so wash away. The storm window on the inside has already been taken care of. And you'll notice that the true test of a good window cleaner is when they can work with their left hand and their right hand. So what he's doing right now is he's using steel wool on the exterior of the window, and it's wet. But what that is used for is it's going to get any bug stuff like bug poop or any paint or anything like that. It gets that stuff off before he uses a squeegee, and then so he doesn't have to go back and touch up the window. So going with his left hand on the left hand, and look at that technique. Professional window cleaner. Excellent. And then he's going to switch over. He's going to get the right one with the right hand. And then as soon as he's done with the squeegee, then he'll just use his blue towel to dry the edges of the window, and the white towel to get the little bit of excess water off of the bottom detail. And man, that looks like a mirror. Good work, Ben. Okay, last window right here. You can see it's really super dirty. This awning cover does, or this window cover does a little bit of protection for the window, but winds around here blowing sideways, and so windows are dirty. So it's gonna get and that's how that's done. All right, looking good. We just finished up here. Ben and I finished cleaning all the storm windows, and beauty here. We got a view of the water. It's wonderful. It's a beautiful day. Windows are clean, storm windows are clean, screens are clean. So if you're in need of window cleaning or pressure washing or house washing, gutter cleaning, we'd love to help you out. So again, this is Sean from Clearly Windows. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit the thumbs up. You want to hit the subscribe button. We'll send you new content as it comes out. Thanks again for watching.